Have you ever wondered how old our Earth really is? Not 100, not 1000, but 4.6 billion years old. But how do scientists divide such a long history into understandable part? That's where the geological time scale or simply Earth history book comes in. आज हम समझेंगे कैसे साइंटिस्ट ने बिलियन ऑफ ईयर्स को डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स में डिवाइड किया, जैसे स्कूल की हिस्ट्री बुक्स के चैप्टर टू स्टडी हाउ लाइफ एंड लैंडफॉर्म्स इवॉल्व्ड. Think of our Earth history as a 24-hour clock. If Earth's age is 24 years, that is 4.6 billion years, life appears after 16 hours, dinosaurs last 1 hour, humans last few seconds. So most of the Earth history happened long before human came. Geologists divide this vast time into eons, era, period, epochs, and ages. Each one marks big changes in Earth's climate, continent, and living organism. Fossils or mountain tells a story. When geologists study them, they are basically reading Earth's diary. So the geological time scale help us understand not just time, but the evolution of life and landforms on our planet. The geological time scale is a system used by scientists to describe the history of Earth from its formation about 4.6 billion years ago to the present. It divides Earth's long history into different units of time based on major changes in Earth's geology, climate, and life forms, like when mountains formed, oceans appeared, or dinosaurs ruled the land. ये अर्थ के हिस्ट्री बुक के जैसे है जिसमें हर एक पेज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर बताता है. अर्थ हिस्ट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू इयॉन्स, एरा, पीरियड, epoch. Eon is the biggest unit of geological time. It represents billion of years. Each eon is divided into eras, which shows big changes in life and environment. Each era is divided into period, which show more specific events like appearance और एक्सटेंशन ऑफ स्पीसीज. पीरियड वो छोटा डिवीजन है जिसमें स्पेसिफिक इवेंट्स हुए, जैसे नए एनिमल्स आए या एक्सटेंट हो गए. इपॉक सबसे छोटी डिवीजन है जिसमें क्लाइमेट और लाइफ में छोटे पर इम्पॉर्टेंट चेंजेस होते हैं, जैसे आज का समय होलोसीन इपॉक है. नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ टू मेक एंड रिमेंबर जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल. नाउ इमेजिन अर्थ एज अ मूवी that have been playing for 4.6 billion years ago, unfolding scene by scene. Before we get into the movie, the geological time scale is divided according to the time from bigger to smaller: eon, era, period, epoch, and age. Now, the movie starts with eon. Eon is divided into hidden, Archean, Proterozoic, and Phanerozoic. In hidden eon, Earth was a ball of fire. In Archean, first ocean and rocks formed. And in Proterozoic eon, early life, that is algae, appeared, and the main scene unfolds in Phanerozoic eon. The word Phanerozoic comes from a Greek word, phaneros, visible, zoic means life. So, Phanerozoic eon literally means the time of visible life, when complex plants and animals appeared and flourished. Phanerozoic is divided into three different eras: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Each era is divided into different period. Let's learn them in a simple way. For Paleozoic, we have a mnemonic COS DCP. C stands for Cambrian, O stands for Ordovician, S stands for Silurian, D stands for Devonian, C stands for Carboniferous, and P stands for Permian. Mesozoic era is divided into Triassic, Jurassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Cenozoic is divided into Tertiary and Quaternary. Tertiary period is divided into 5 different epochs. It starts with Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, and Pliocene. Quaternary is divided into 2 different epochs. One is Pleistocene and the other one is Holocene. Now, Holocene is divided into 3 different ages. First one is Greenlandian, next is North Gripen, and the third one is Meghalayan age. So the complete geological time scale looks this way. Now we can say that the present eon is Phanerozoic, present era is Cenozoic, present period is Quaternary, present epoch is Holocene, and the present age is Meghalayan age. This is how the complete geological timescale looks. We need to add some dates to the geological timescale. Like we can see that Proterozoic, Archean and Hadean, together they are known as Precambrian. They are some 570 million years before present. Then is Paleozoic, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. We can learn this time scale with the help of certain mnemonics. Both are in English and in Hindi mnemonics, whichever you find easy, you can go through that. So, the geological time scale is like a calendar of Earth history, from fiery beginning to the rise of humans. हर eon, era, period और epoch एक chapter है. Together they tell the incredible story of our planets. We will get into the detail of each epoch later. Thank you.